the trigger man. Bayagosa attacking the defense. Yes, 2 points.
Third quarter.
Get ready for the body shot. Okay, complete 3. Ito kayo ang akin na defense. Seko. Oy! Sayang man. Beda. Ito na aatake. Hop. Foul. Foul jersey number 19. Holding foul. Labaw. Second corner foul. Sabrit. Diego out. Bayagosa in. 16 to shoot. Deadlock at 15. Reto, shot clock down to 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, look it up! Nandun, Montes. Montes na lang ng bola, anong gagawin? Pass to Bayagosa, the trigger man, Bayagosa, attacking the defense, yes, 2 points. Lamang dua, ang Team Diego. Eto ngayon, wala. Tapikan pa. Shot no good. Tapikan. Yeah. Deadlock at 37. Eto ngayon, Bayagosa. Sa trigger man. No good. Rebound Bahira. Baseball pass. Nandun si Lee. Lee, wala. Tapikan. Nakakuha ni Nunez. Nunez ngayon. Tapikan nakakuha. Sino nakakakuha? Nakuha ng Lupango. Pass to Bayagosa. Dati naman. Ang ganda. Hop. Foul. Foul number 19, Makada. Second personal foul. First throw. Basket. Random league. Jumper, get ready. Pop. Quick throw violation. Bawang Puyo. 38-37. Ito ngayon ang Iran. Nandun, Makada, pull-up jumper, swing return, yes! Case favor, 1-point lead, Team Makada. Lupango ngayon. Lupango, pass to Montes, from the downtown, no good. Tapi ka nagawa, nakuha ni Iras ng pag-ibig. Pass to Iras, pass to Makada. Makada, pass to Iras. From the downtown, nandun, Lee! Ang pabebing tira, wala, nakuha ni Lupango. Lupango ang atake. Lupango wala, atrasado. Tukrami, wala pa rin. Binuli pa rin, wala pa rin. Bayan. Basket. 3.3. Reserve. Eto ngayon, Bayagosa atake because they whistle with forward. Foul number 9. Foul number 9, Iras ng pag-ibig. Time out. Team Diego. Team Makada. Basket. 2-point lead. 2-point lead. Jumper, get ready. No good. Rebound by Makada. Makada ka atake. Nandun, Sira. Pass to Sira. Shot up down to the field. 14. From the downtown, no good. Nandun si Diego. Diego, better on top. Nandun, pass to Lupango. Atake. Hop. Foul. Foul foul, blocking foul. Blocking foul Iras. Amin yung third. Third personal foul Iras ng Pag-ibig. 3-team foul. Hindi na, tapikan. Tapikan na gawan. Shot clock down to 14. Wala, rebound by Makadat. Nandun si Lee. Ang pabibig tira. Yeah. 39-43. Jacob nagtambak. Aatake. One of the shot. Yeah. 41-43. Nakalaki yun. Naatake. Nakita si Lee. Grabe laki si Lee sa ilalim. Ang lakas. Oo, lakas tumuot. Grabe ka talaga rin. It's a turnover. Retro, Yuras. Yuras. From the downtown, no good. Rebound by Bayadosa. Bayadosa. Ang ganda. Timbol. Last touch by Yuras. Jacob. Pass to Jacob again. Lusango. Pass to Jacob. Using the ball. Yeah. 43-45. 4 minutes and 6. Shot clock down to 18. Eto ang atake Makadat. Nandun si Iras. Napaganda pa yung pagkapi. Eto na, grabe eh. Grabe si grabe. Nagkakalat. Iras ng Pag-ibig. Pangkadaw down. Rebound. 43 against 50. Nandun na Bayadosa. Dahil sa tungkol sa Afrika. Nandun. Business map. Wala. Papiran. Makadat. Tuloy, grabe talaga kumuot. Ha? Kaya manggali diyan. Ikaroon. 52-43. Shot clock down to the field. Foul. Foul. Foul number 9. Sabret. Sila. Lim. Hindi ka naman nagdadal. Napagod ka. Second personal foul running for penalty. Shot clock down to 14. Jacob atake. Wala. Rebound by Iras. Pass to Iras. Shot clock down to 16. Shot clock down to 14. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, foul. Foul number 3, atrasado. Second personal foul. Okay, Jambu, get ready. Mamaya, pag pumasok, may substitute. Nakagawa. Ito kayo ang Jeko. Ito ang comeback. Nakuha. Jeko atake. Pasti Batango. To Jeko. Isang kamay lang ginamit. Yeah. 45-52.
Sir lamang.
Kami. Tuto. Ito kayo ang Makadat. Shot clock down to 2. Look down. Perimeter. No good. Off. Ano ba? Foul. Foul number 3. Sabret. Krabi out. Makadat out. Parehas warning. Warning for penalty for team. Warning. Warning pa lang. Warning pa lang. Warning. Third personal foul atrasado. Shot clock down to 13. 12, 11, 10. Good luck. Basket. 35-54. Ito ngayon, Diego atake. Isang kamay ulit. Wala. Rebound by Iras. Iras. Pass to Iras. Shot clock down to 17. Nandang makadat. Wala. Tapos ka nandang sinumbaw. Pass to you. Hampa Bebing tira. Ito ngayon. Lubango. Pass to Montes. Grabe ka rin si Montes. Wala. Sabi ka na wala ko. Ay atrasado. Two goals. 37-56. 9.3. Ito na. Nagalat. Shot clock down to 15. Foul. Foul number 22 Montes. Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty tayo. Penalty. 1 minute and 13. Jumpers, get ready. 47-57. 10.8. Third. No goal. Rebound by atrasado. Papikan intercept by Makadat. Makadat lagi kasi nung bad to goal. 47-59. Namili na goal. 55 seconds. Shot clock down to 18. Bayago sa Dabriga na. Wala. Atrasado. Yes. To goal. 44 seconds. 40 seconds. 59-59. Shot clock down to 15. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
Third quarter.
7,
Third quarter.
Sabi ka na kaya na nag-3 shot clock iso. 20 seconds. Lubango. To ball. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's a foul. Foul. Foul number 3. Penalty. Atrasado. Running for summer vacation. Running for conduct atrasado. Basket. Jumpers get ready. 5 seconds. No goal. 4, 3, 2, 1. And at the third quarter.